In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an underexposed photo inside Photoshop. So let's go. All right, so here I have a photo of myself, and as you can see, relative to the background, I am quite underexposed. So I want to get this photo, the photo of me, brighter while maintaining the exposure of the background. So to do this, I'm going to first duplicate this layer. So I'm going to right click and duplicate the layer, right? And then I'm going to create a new curves adjustment layer. So curves. And then I'm going to also clip it to the mask. So clipping allows it to affect only the layer that is immediately below it. So I'm clipping it. And then I'm going to just simply bring the middle portion upwards, right? And then that should be it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill this mask area with black so that it hides all the changes that the curves adjustment layer is actually adding to the image. So go over to my paint bucket tool, choose black, select the mask on the curves adjustment layer, and pretty much click once, right? So instead of the entire image being the exposure for the entire image being increased, I'm going to just paint away sections of the photo that I want to expose, increase the exposure on. So I'm going to grab my brush tool, select the mask, and then I'm going to ensure that the hardness of the brush is all the way down to 0, so it has a soft edge. And then I'm going to reduce the size of the brush by reducing the size, right? Or I could use the square brackets on the keyboard. So right square bracket to increase it, left square bracket to reduce it, right? And then the opacity, I'll set this to about 50 so that I can gradually paint away. Now I'm going to select the mask, change the color to white. So anywhere I paint white will increase the exposure, right? So I'm going to start with the face. And I'm basically just brushing away. And of course, you can use the square brackets to size it and make it smaller or larger as you see fit, right? So I'm just brushing away the image to increase the exposure. Increase the brush size here for the larger areas. Good. Right? So this is the before, this is the after. Right? So one of the things that I also like to do is I like to increase the levels, the contrast rather, on the image. So I'm going to add a new levels layer. So this I won't click. This will apply to everything that is beneath. Right? So I'll bring in the blacks and bring in the whites just to create more contrast in the image, make the image a little bit more popping. So before and after, right? So I should bring this to the top, the original. So this is where we started out with. And as you can see, the image is better exposed. So I know that this was a quick tutorial, and I know that this will be helpful to many of you. So if you found value in this tutorial, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next one. Peace out. Take care.